Okay, here we're just taking, you can see the humidity levels is 64. This is a hydrometer, it tells the relative humidity, but it's also a moisture probe. As you can see, if we go over here to a dry wall, this will give you a baseline reading of about the moisture content. So with a variance of about a degree, a half to 1 degree of moisture, but I mean, even though it's not wet to the touch, you can see these walls are fully saturated. But the unfortunate thing is that it extends over here behind there. So I mean, this whole wall is what we'll be looking at removing. And then the hardware. Since we do have some tiles, if we can salvage it, the way that we'll be able to salvage it, once we get behind the walls, if it's limited mold growth, we can treat it. But the protocol normally is when you have water damage, building construction materials, and it's been wet over 48 hours, is to remove it. And then there's 3 different categories of water damage. Category 1, 2, and 3. Category 1 is water damage which does not pose a significant health risk. It's basically clean water. Category 2 is water with particulate matter that may pose a significant health risk. And category 3 is like sewage or some water that does, definitely. The problem is after 48 hours, it kind of escalates because the water is traveling behind things and it's gaining particulate matter. So it's definitely some mold growing behind here. So my thing is we would need to remove this wall. I just want to check in. Is it okay to go in here? Mm-hmm. Yeah. To make sure behind here, you can see this should be able to be saved. Because it looks like that's the wall behind there, so it shouldn't be. But we would have to detach this sink, the toilet, remove this drywall out, and cut around the fixtures to take that out. Originally, maybe we'll go here, a ½ inch, cut around and check behind. Usually behind here, they should have put cement board, which if it is, then
it's green board.
Green board. Yeah. Green board is mold resistant drywall. It's not mold proof. The difference is, like if you have regular drywall, if you have some water damage, and let's say that the water damage stopped here, it would not spread. Whereas with drywall, it'll wick up there and just spread all over. So we can, once we get behind the wall, we can kind of document how it is behind there. If it looks like that there's no mold or can be controlled, we can actually clean, sanitize, and seal behind there and do as well with the rest of the framing and everything behind this wall and prepare it to be rebuilt.
So you say when you say clean and sanitize, what do you
use?
Yeah, what are you working with?